Hey everybody, welcome back to Engineered. Today we'll be looking at my Dark Trooper builds from the Mandalorian series. So the Dark Troopers have been around for a long time. They're not new, but I'm very happy that they put them in Mandalorian. They first appeared in a video game, Star Wars Dark Forces. Star Wars Dark Forces came out in 1995 to 1996. It follows a Rebel Alliance smuggler named Kyle Katam, who finds out about the Dark Trooper or Dark Forces project of the Empire and takes it down from within. It is a first-person shooter game based off of the Jedi game engine they made around then, so I'll definitely check it out if you haven't before. It's a really good game. The Dark Trooper models in that game were way more creepy looking than these ones, so I guess that's why Disney kind of changed them up a little bit, but I prefer like the OG versions. They're way more menacing looking. There's 3 phases. There's a phase 1, a phase 2, and a phase 3. Phase 1 and 2 had donors or pilots inside. They went back and made it canon that a lot of them, the phase 1 and 2, were old clone troopers who had been like out of service or were losing their mind. They put them in these to keep them going for a little bit, but they found out that like the one weakness it had was it being a human pilot in it, so they took out the human pilot and came up with the phase 3. The phase 3 in Dark Forces looks a little different than this one, but it was a little nod to the old version, so I still like this one a lot. When I 3D modeled these, there was not a lot of source material out about them because I literally had to like pause the episode they first appeared in and take pictures from that and make them, but they were moving around so fast that you could barely get any pictures of them. However, I was able to make this design from them, and I decided to make them in 3 scales: a Glen scale, a Black Series scale, and a 3.75 TVC scale. The Glen scale is about 10 inches tall. I just wanted it to make a nice size, to have a good desk size figure for people who didn't want the Black Series or the TVC size, the one that stood out. I made a Black Series size to match with the Mandalorian scale. I made this one about 7 inches tall, because even in canon they're like 8 feet tall, so I made them taller than every other Black Series figure. And then I made the 3.75 scale. They're about 4 inches tall, just to again stay in scale with the TVC stuff. They are fully posable and can be posed in walking positions and shooting positions, possibly even a kneeling position. They also each come with a gun and a backpack for your viewing pleasure. I plan on making the action figure from Dark Forces. I just haven't gotten to it yet, but I wanted to see how these look first, see how these do on the shelves in my store before I put out any other more. If you want one of these, go to my Etsy page. The link will be in the description below. If you have any questions, go to my Facebook or Instagram and message me. I'm always on there answering any time of day. Hurry up and get these. They're selling fast. I sold 10 in the first like 3 days. So I plan on redoing the torso later. I just don't know when, but I think I'm gonna redo it and make it look more like the show. Now there's more source material out, I'll be able to do that better. As always, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the little bell notification so you can get notified when I have a new video. Thank you, and may the force be with you always.